Good evening. We moved to the Gulf. Let's see if you can see my friend. Oh, there's pelicans everywhere. So I decided to switch campgrounds, and we are now right on the water, which is absolutely where I want to be. So we are next to a fort. We are next to the ferry to go to Dauphin Island, which we're going to do as well. And yeah, just sit here and hope for whales or dolphins. What a rough life. All right. Who's ready to go? You ready to go? Tell me, are you ready to go for a ride? I just wanted to show you that she really loves the backpack. She loves the backpack. You ready? You ready to get the backpack? You so ready? Good morning. Welcome to Fort Morgan. It's a cloudy day. Yesterday I woke up to thunderstorms and we're not riding in thunderstorms. Today is cloudy and the weather keeps going back and forth with rain. So I think we'll stay on the peninsula that we're at. I do want to take the ferry to Dauphin Island, but I think we're gonna do that tomorrow. So I think we're gonna head to Fort Morgan, the actual fort, and explore and hope we don't get too wet. Welcome to Fort Morgan. I'm watching those clouds. But yeah. Lovely old fort. Lots of things to explore. Right on the peninsula in southern Alabama. I went down these steps. I certainly don't want to go up them. I don't know if you can quite tell. Things are beastie. So it looks like this is calcium from the seashells that they excavated in the building process. And so now it's seeping through the walls, so it makes a really cool effect. Hello. Learned it's a pentagonal bastion fort. It was built in the last part of the War of 1812, next to another fort. It's really cool. I love the masonry. I love those stalactites from that calcium. I love that they love doggies. She's yeah. Fun place. All right, kids, you see that cloud? That cloud is scaring the crap out of me. So let's get on that motorcycle and get the fuck out of here. And they says there's re-entry, so I'll try to come back in a few hours when it's gone. But I do not want to be caught. Let's move. Coastal weather is just the best. Enjoying my jacket? Oh, listen. My helmet got wet. I mean, it sounds like it's getting worse, so we made a good decision, but oh man. She didn't get too wet. All right, now we sit and wait this out. See what's coming. Welcome back. Clouds look better, don't they? Let's start with the driving tour. Oh, hi, little killdeer. Hi. Hi, little buddies. Hi, little birdies. I know that's walk anywhere. look like he's bothering us. Should be pretty safe back there, Bee. Obsessed with the dog-friendly community. There she goes. She flops around every couple of minutes. She's got a flop on or something. And she's killing these love bugs. They're everywhere. Good morning. We have a beautiful sunny day here in Fort Morgan. So we are definitely taking the ferry over to Dauphin Island, which I'm very, very excited about. There is a ferry we have to take. Leaves at 11:45. We gotta get there half hour before 11:15. It takes 20 minutes to get there, so I gotta leave in the next 15 minutes or so. Yeah. Oh my gosh, if you guys don't know about the little no-see-ums, the little sand flies, I've learned about it. I don't know if you can tell, but I am bit. I get allergies to bites anyway, so I am just an itchy mess, and I think that's why Beebe's been extra itchy. So if you go anywhere in the coast and you don't know about it, apparently DEET, I know it's not great for everything, but these bites are miserable. So we will be spraying with DEET. But I mean, it's like you want to lay outside in the sun, you know, and watch the sunset when you're here on the coast. So, but yes. So, if you see me all red and melty, that's I'm an itchy mess. But yeah, there's a bird arboretum on the island, as well as another fort. And it's not a very big island, so I'm sure we're gonna see the whole darn thing. So yeah, we're preparing. It's 45 minute ferry ride, so I'm bringing snacks. Dogs are fine as long as they're on a leash. I think I'm going to have to stay with the motorcycle. I think I saw a rule that any motorcycles on the ferry, you have to stay with the motorcycle. So hopefully I'll have somewhere to sit and somewhere to see. Because yeah, you're crossing Mobile Bay. And so there should be wildlife we can see. So cross our fingers for cool stuff. It reminds me I need to grab my big camera. Are you excited? Are you excited? All right, let's finish breakfast and get going to the ferry. Surprise! These flying bugs are brutal. They are these little fucking... Anyway, let's get out of these bugs and get on that ferry and let's see some cool stuff today. Welcome to the ferry terminal of Fort Morgan. We did get here a little early, but it looks like the ferry is filling up, so I suspect it will be full, so I'm glad we got here early. They have a lovely waiting area. You can hang out here by the beach. They have a gift shop, bathrooms, all the stuff you need while you wait. So, yeah, excited. I'm glad we didn't go yesterday. That storm was terrifying, but here for a good day. Got a spicy Chihuahua friend. She wants to go play with the other little dogs that are over there. All right, see you on the boat. Oh, don't mind her. Ferry's almost here. We are glad we got here early. We are full. They're already filling up the next boat, and this boat isn't even here yet. So definitely, if you're gonna ride this ferry, get here early. It's coming. Oh, we saw a dolphin. A dolphin passed through. So I'm excited. Today's a really good day, and she's gonna shut up eventually, I promise. kids. We got a good spot. I'm super excited. Ready to go. I'm not too worried that I have to stay with my motorcycle because this thing is tiny compared to the Seattle Ferry. This thing is itty bitty, but maybe we're just going across. So, yay. On the other side of Dauphin Island. We drove all the way through just so I could get kind of the lay of the land. Not a whole heck of a lot to this island. It is pretty tiny, but absolutely beautiful. Not quite feeling like a beach day, so people turn around and head back. We've got the Arboretum, we've got the fort, there's a couple parks, and definitely the church. So let's see what I decide to do first. Welcome to the Audubon Bird Sanctuary on Dauphin Island. Looks like there is a path going around. You get to see all sorts of things. It says warning alligators. Let's see what we can see. I love that sound. All right, let's go. Found a beautiful little lake. Pond. Oh my god. Look at that turtle. Look at how big he is. Two bald eagles. Two ospreys. I caught a blue heron catching a fish. I think that's a pretty successful day. We're almost back to the parking lot. We're gonna get lunch. I'm hungry. It's like 2 something. I want to get lunch. Probably then the fort, if we have time. I mean, forts are cool and all, but I did the fort yesterday. So if we run out of time, we run out of time. But let's head our way to lunch, unless another cool bird comes to say hello. I just waddled out of Islanders Bar and Grill. Had black and shrimp tacos. So good. Anyway, so we're moving tomorrow, and I want to do laundry, and I want to ensure that my rig is those bug-free, can't get eaten alive again. So I think we're going to cruise the coast for another half hour until it's time to check into the ferry. So that's the plan. So yeah. Let's continue our adventure. Who doesn't know how to read ferry directions or timing? I don't. Who has another hour and a half the next day? I do. So much for getting there early. Well, so we're putzing around, trying to find more birds. Can't believe I did that. What are you gonna do? I'm on a boat.